we will discuss module 41, and the title of the module is Institutional Discourse and the Knowledge That Matters. का मतलब है कि एक इदारे का अपना डिस्कोर्स, अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, उसके अपना पहचान के तरीके क्या हैं, उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है, उसका विजन और मिशन क्या है, और किस किस्म की नॉलेज, किस किस्म का इल्म, जानकारी उसके लिए ज़रूरी है. So there is an interplay among institutional condition, practices and the knowledge and the use. इदारा पहचाने ही अपने नॉलेज से और उसके अपने विजन और मिशन से जाता है. और इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिस्कोर्स रिलाइज बिटवीन इंस्ट्रूमेंटल एंड एक्सप्रेसिव discourse. And so there are two type of the approaches of the discourses, and that are instrumental discourse. It means it refers to the transmission of the skills and their relation to each other. Okay, how the instrumental discourse means how the instructions are transmitted and shared. And other is regulative, expressive or regulative discourse. It refers to the principles of the social order, relation and identity. And organization basically differ in the relative salience of each discourse on the basis of कौन से basis हैं, practices. एक इदारा दूसरे इदारे से practice के बेस पे डिफ़र करता है, अपने मैकेनिक्स के अप्रोच पे डिफ़र करता है, अपने आइडियोलॉजीज़ के बेस पे डिफ़र करता है. तो ये बेसिस जो दीज आर द बेसिस ऑफ द डिफरेंसेस, और इस डिफरेंस के बुनियाद पे ये तीनों आस्पेक्ट भी डिफ़र हो जाते हैं. differences in discursive practices and organization relate differences in the, उसका क्या होता है आगे चल के, relationship between instruments and expressive elements in the organization. ब्रेंस्टाइन का जो मॉडल है वो इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिस्कोर्स एंड द नॉलेज जो इम्पोर्टेंट है उस हवाले से, ब्रेंस्टाइन मॉडल रिलेट्स टू मैक्रो इंस्टीट्यूशनल फॉर्म्स, टू द माइक्रो interactional levels and the rules of the communicative competence. This model focused on two levels. Number one, the structural level, and other is interactional level. And what is the structural level? The key component at the structural level is the concept of boundary. And structures are distinguished in terms of their relations between categories. And the next one is interactional level, and according to this, the regulation of the transmission and the acquisition relation between teacher and the taught. And interactional level comes to refer to the pedagogic context and the social relation of the work. The different institutional modalities may be described in terms of the relationship between the relations of power and control. So this relationship gives rise to the distinctive discourses, and it mediates engagement with the knowledge and use of the professional work. An emphasis upon acquisition of specialized skills which may downplay both interprofessional collaboration, and the second is engaging children and families in solving problems. The relations are clearly hierarchical, with the instrumental and the regulation discourse is relatively distinct. You can say that the beliefs about the knowledge that matters give the rise to the weaker classification and weaker framing of the practices. Then there is likely to be easier cross services collaboration between different organizations, institutions and the components, and greater engagement of the children and the families. In that context, Vygotsky was not impervious to the importance of the emotional and how people are able to take action. And Vygotsky's approach was rooted in the Russian notion of переживание, means lived experience, was the integration of the cognitive and affective elements. Vygotsky used this concept to emphasize the wholeness of psychological development of children and the wholeness is a state of the complete physical, mental, and social well being.